Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple and delicious version of cinnamon roll which you can make at very less cost. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need 3 tablespoons butter. I'm using salted butter, but you can use homemade makhan, homemade butter for this recipe which is unsalted. Give it a whisk and whip for 5 minutes. Once the butter becomes smooth, add 3 tablespoons jaggery, that is good. You may add brown sugar. Next, add half teaspoon cinnamon, that is dalchini powder. Whisk well till the jaggery and butter is well combined. There may be a few pieces of jaggery left, that's fine. If you can see that the butter is melting a lot, you can pop this in your refrigerator for 5 to 7 minutes till you get this consistency. So our jaggery cinnamon butter is ready. Now we need 9 bread slices. I am using white bread, but you may use brown bread for this recipe. Next step is to remove the sides. Don't worry, you can dip the sides in tea or you can make breadcrumbs out of them. You can dry the sides under sun and powder them to make breadcrumbs. Next, we need to roll the bread using a belan, that is rolling pin. It's very important that you use nice and soft bread because if the bread is dry and crumbly, it would be difficult to roll it. Roll it and divide like this into 2 parts. Repeat the same steps with the remaining 8 bread slices. To bake the cinnamon bread or cinnamon roll, we need a container, so you can use a baking dish or a cake tin for this recipe. Now place 2 bread strips and apply the prepared cinnamon butter. To make this dish even more healthier, you can use brown bread or multigrain bread. But make sure it's nice and soft. I'm reiterating because it would be difficult for you to roll the bread otherwise. Now place one slice over the other like this and roll. Now place the rolled bread in a baking dish or a cake tin like this. Similarly, make the other rolls. Place it beside the first roll and repeat the steps. To bake it, I'm going to use my pan. So here I've got some salt which I reuse for baking and I'm going to preheat this at medium flame for 10 minutes. If you want to bake this in an OTG, you can. I have given the instructions later on screen. Apply some remaining butter like this on top. If you want, you can bake these in your OTG or convection. You can see the instructions on the screen. My pan has been preheating and at medium flame, I'm going to bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the glaze. For glaze, we need 3 tablespoons icing sugar. Next, add 1 teaspoon water. If you do not have icing sugar, you can use your regular powdered sugar, but sift it once or twice using a sieve, that is a tea strainer. And once you get very fine powdered sugar, you can use that instead of icing sugar. Our quick and easy cinnamon rolls are done. Next, apply some leftover butter if you want to. Next, pour the glaze. We totally forgot to switch on the camera while pouring the glaze, but after you pour the glaze, it would look like this. You can serve it right away while it's warm. It tastes fantastic. You may sprinkle some cinnamon powder or cocoa powder on top before serving. I've already posted a recipe of cinnamon rolls, but this is a very easier and quicker version of it. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!